guys, it's me Narelle here, and welcome back to a new video. As you can see, I have a lovely manila envelope from the one and the only Domenica Chan. Like, guys, you cannot be surprised. We literally do this every year because it's something that we all do. Me, her, and Sue, and a couple other our friends. We like to kill each other for Christmas, apparently Halloween, our birthdays, and other things. But yeah, so this is our more like New Year's package because me and her both got ours done pretty late. So we're like, you know what? Happy New Year's! So I'm gonna go ahead and get this open. And oh, look at Choo-Choo! He's so cute! She says Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. I wish I could get this off the back. So Domenica, hopefully this sticker isn't too strong because I really want to save Choo-Choo. So we're going to take this tape off. Yes. Okay. And this is where the problem lies. Okay. There we go. Got it open. Okay, let's see if I can find the note. Where is the note? I think it's right here. I swear I think it's right here. Yep. Found it. So I'm going to move it out the way. So here it is. It is the note. And it states, Merry late Christmas, Nyrel. This present is hella late, but you know, the holidays were crazy. Literally. I hope your Christmas was good, and I hope your new year is going well. Anyways, I know you'll like this package. I love Domenica. She's like, I know you'll like this. So she's like, yes, Nyrel, your death is today. But thank you so much, Domenica. And literally, guys, I don't lie when I say I keep the notes. I literally do keep all my notes. So this will go in a very safe place. So, every time Domenica gives me packages, she wraps them and numbers them. Ooh, this is really pretty wrapping paper. Oh my goodness. So I don't have to be scared about spoiling myself too early. So these are all the lovely packages. So, let's see. Okay, so this is number 1. This is number 2, and this is the bonus. So you'll save this for last. So here we go. So number 1 says, Art 2, look how pretty this is. Oh my goodness, I just want to stare at the wrapping paper. I do. I don't want to make this video so long. Oh my gosh. Okay. I'm going to carefully rip off this tape because I low-key want to keep this paper. Oh my gosh. Come on, Nyrel. It's always the last one that gets you stuck the most. Okay. Oof. Alrighty. Time to open it. Hopefully I'm not opening it on the wrong side. Okay. Alright. Because I would have been like, no. So we're going to turn it over in a 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a go. Okay. It's alright. It's totally fine for the one we see first. It's totally fine. It's totally fine. I get it. She's like, Nyrel, we're just gonna kill you as soon as you open the package, and let's just not have remorse for what happens to you next. But okay. Alright, Domenica, I see how you play. I see how you is. I see it. So we're gonna take this out. Alright, so as you can see, it is a lovely laminated print of Kudo and Haseo. If my phone would focus, there you go, phone. I actually shipped these two, and they're just adorable. And I forgot to comment on the actual photo that I thought it was adorable that Kudo is eating Haseo's, his bagels? Those bagels or donuts? I don't know why my mind is blanking, but Haseo loves these a lot, and he's like eating one of his prized possessions, and I'm like, oh, he's gonna be very grumpy when he wakes up, but it's so cute. It's so cute. And the next one is da 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 da. No wonder you've been making a lot of Haseo art lately. It's like, yeah, Narelle, it's just here to kill you. Yes, look at this. Just look at this. This precious boyo! This precious boyo. Oof. I could touch this now without feeling ashamed. But I'm so excited! I got 2 Haseo themed pieces with Kudo on it. Yo! So moving on to the second one, and it states stickers. Yay! Oh my gosh, I'm so excited because I haven't received stickers from her in a while. So I'm excited to see what they are. So I'm going to excitedly open up this beautiful wrapping paper. Okay. All right, and let's open it up. Let's open it up. Ah, yay, she put it to the back. Yes. I'm so glad. She's like, yeah, I'm not going to let her see it that early. So I'm saved every time. So I'm going to open it up from the back this time because I feel like with the art, I flipped it over too early, I should say. So I want to keep it on the back and pull it out from the back. So I won't know who's at the top. So, yes. Oh! I totally did not see that, but I did. Let's just take them out. Totally didn't see that, but I did. So this is the first one. If my phone would focus, please. There we go. Ah, okay. So these are her camp buddy OCs for her friends. So this is Subaru. He's a lovely child. He is so lovely. And then you have the bae of all baes, Seiji. He's a bae, but he is a bottom. So so this hunk is a bottom. He's so handsome. I freaking love it. I hate how my phone is like, yeah, we're not going to zoom in on these or focus. So hopefully you can see them that well. All right. And next is Aki. Ah, here we go. There we go. Ah, the last one is Juta. It's Juta. He's so cute. He is such a precious cinnamon bun. I freaking love Juta. Oh, look at them. They're so cute. I love these. Ah. Now we are going to open the last one, which is the bonus Chibis. Ah, if there's one thing about Domenica's art that always is killer, it's her Chibis. Like, she's the one that got me into drawing Chibis a lot more now. They're kind of non-existent for the moment because I just got out of drawing Chibis, but I'm pretty sure after this video I will be drawing Chibis a lot more. So I blame Domenica. I totally blame her, but it's okay. It's alright. Hopefully my package does as much damage as her is doing me. So, yeah. Alright, time to open it. Okay, so I'm going to be smarter about this time and not open it from the front, not flip it over. So let's see if I can do that without ruining the surprise. Let's see if I can do this. There we go. Alright, so I'm going to keep them from at the back and not flip them over. Alright, so add a 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4. Okay. No. It's my wife. It's my wife. It's Edna. It's my waifu Edna. Because I had a live stream earlier when I did that picture of Adele from Disgaea 2 and me, her, and Yuriko Nico. We went on a tangent about Disgaea for like 30 minutes saying like who our favorite characters were, and I'm like, Edna is like the wife of all time. And she drew Edna. She's so pretty and she's so cute in her style. Oh my gosh, I live for this. I really do. And the next one is oh, I saw this one, but I didn't see it in the flash. Velma Torres. Velma Torres. Like, these two are my favorites. So my top boy is Val, and my top girl is Edna. So these are my two favorite characters. Oh, like, I'm just like, I wanted Disgaea and her art for a very long time, and oof, it came. It finally came. So yay! I wonder who the last one is. I really do wonder. So we're gonna find out at 1, 2, 3, and a go. Let's see. Ah, no! No. You did not do this to me. I was not that mean with your package, Domenica. I knew I should have kept it a little while longer. Why? If you guys don't know, I haven't played this game yet, but this is the main character from Disgaea 5. His name is Kilia, and he's a hunk. He's a freaking hunk. I actually should be able to play this very soon once I beat Disgaea 3. It's taken me 20 years to get that game finished, but hopefully this month I can finish it and start Disgaea 5. But oof, he is a hunk. I was not expecting that. Lord knows I was not expecting that. So, just to rewind a little bit, Domenica has sent me some very cute Disgaea face TVs. They're so cute. I'm gonna move them down. I'm trying not to smear them because they're done with pencil. Then she sent me the 4 Camp Buddy babes. There we go. And then she sent me lovely prints of Kudo and Haseo. And then just my honey bunches of oats, Haseo. And then we just can't forget Choo Choo. So thank you so much, Domenica, for all the love in which you have bestowed upon me. I enjoyed all of this stuff. I will legit look at this for the rest of the day because I was not expecting him. So we're gonna go ahead and get to putting her art to in this binder of mine because this is the new binder for my friend's artwork. Guys, so I put all the art to in the binder. Haseo was the only one who could fit in these small little plastics. I'm gonna have to put them in my bigger artwork binder so they will have a home. What I'm gonna do with her Camp Buddy boyos, I'm actually gonna put them on top of this binder because if you guys don't know, Domenica's stickers were on the other one, so it's kind of like a little back then to now. So yes, alrighty guys, so this is the finished look of my binder with the Camp Buddy boys on the front. So yes, I think that looks super cute. So anyways, thank you so much, Domenica, for all the love in which you have shown me for all the years that we've known each other. So yes, guys, go give her lots of love on her YouTube channel, on her Instagram account. Just give her love anywhere that she is because she's such an amazing person. I love her to pieces, and soon, very soon, you shall see my death to her. So yes, so if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and comment down what you think about all the cuteness that was Domenica's art. And yeah, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!